guys, this is Kathy with My DIY. Today is a special day. We have reached 100 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for your support, guys. I am truly blessed to share my DIYs with you, and I appreciate every single one of you watching. If you are here for the first time, welcome. On this channel, we learn how to create many fun projects on a budget. Please hit that red subscribe button and automatically become my bestie. And when you hit that notification bell, you will know when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful monogram wreath for your front door. As always, very simple and on the budget. It doesn't have to be expensive to look expensive. I'll be using many of dollar store items. Let's get started.
So for this project, you are going to need a grapevine wreath, as well as flowers and some greenery. I got beautiful magnolias and peonies from Dollar Tree, as well as 2 bushels of tulips from Dollar Zone. Also a wooden initial letter, some paint if you like to paint it, and ribbons that you like. So first thing that I'm doing is painting my letter, just regular white paint. When I'm done, I'm using a wet wipe just to distress it a little bit. I don't want it to be so perfect. And now we will plan out the arrangement of the flowers. Tulips, we will set them up on the side of the wreath, 1 bushel up, 1 down, and that will be very nice. And the rest of the flowers we have to cut. As I am looking at this arrangement right now, I need something a little extra, like maybe a piece of cherry blossom. 1 branch up and 1 branch down. I think that will add a little bit more dimension over there with the tulips. So first thing we do, we bend down the tulips, we shape them a little bit more round so they fit the wreath, and then we use a lot of hot glue to attach them to the frame. So my tulips are pretty bulky. I want to make sure they're secure, so I am using a wire in addition to hot glue. And now before I arrange the rest of the flowers, I want to plan out my ribbon just to see how much room it's going to take up and how much it's going to cover before I place my flowers there. And now the bow. With the 9-foot ribbon, I'm able to make a bow with 3 loops. I just folded it over 3 times, and I also have the rest of the piece cut off right there for the tail. So I'm going to pinch it in the middle and tie it with the wire. Next, cutting the tails. I noticed that my piece is a bit long, so I'm cutting it in half. I will create 1 longer and 1 shorter tail. I fold over both pieces and cut it in at an angle to create a fishtail. And same thing with the smaller piece. One is about 10 inches long and another, I would say, 6 inches long. And next, I am attaching the tails to the bow. And my bow is ready, just fluff it up now. And now I'm just checking where it's gonna go, how much space it's gonna take up before I arrange the remaining flowers. I actually cut off 2 pieces of fern I think we need a little bit more greenery over there with the tulips. So that's what I'm gonna do. Attach some fern and then arrange the rest of the flowers. And now it's time to attach the bigger flowers. I'm taking the magnolia and placing one up and one down, keeping in mind that there's that big bow in the middle. And then I'm just filling in the rest of the flowers, a little bit on the side, a little bit here and there, just the way you like it. And it's actually, you can stick them in between the grapevines, which is good. They're gonna hold up well. And now I will add those cherry blossoms, one over there at the bottom and one at the top. It's good to have some kind of longer flower like that to add with the tulips on the sides and just see what works, you know, you have to play with the arrangement. Once the flowers were done, I attached the bow with the wire to the wreath, and I'm just fluffing up the bow. And now the letter is dry and we're gonna play with the placement. I think the best spot is over there on the side to the bottom. And in order to place a large letter like this, we're going to have to glue some wire in two spots where the letter would be touching and just securing it with a piece of ribbon. And then, one more spot where we're gonna attach some wire, and that's gonna make it much easier and secure. And you can see here what we did. We're gonna use those wires to attach the letter to the wreath, and it's a very strong hold. Alright guys, this one is just me. I am double guessing my ribbon choice here because I love the burlap with lace. So I have some leftover of that ribbon and I'm gonna make a bow out of it. I have enough just for a double bow. And I have to try it just to see how it would look with this ribbon instead. Alright, now I'm confused. I don't know what I'm gonna pick. Burlap and lace or sheer pink? Let me know in comments down below which one you would pick. because I just couldn't decide. So what I did was combine the two bows together. Let me know what you think. And here's the look at the final result. I am so happy how it looks on my door. Alright guys, and here's a little bonus video of me decorating the lantern. I had some leftover ribbons and I just tied all the little pieces together with a piece of wire and created this bow for the top. And then just added some flowers that I had left over from the wreath. So a little bit here and there, and I think it came out really cute. To lift up the candle a little bit higher, I'm gonna use a couple pieces of birch tree that my husband cut for me previously. I use those as coasters and other decor around the house throughout the whole year. And then I'm gonna add some cherry blossoms in the back over there to decorate. And for the final touch, I'm going to use those green moss stones that I got from Dollar Tree. They're just so cute to have. You're gonna use them for anything, decorate your table and other accent pieces. And here's the look at the final result. I absolutely love it how it came out, and it's just so cute. And that adorable pink bird, I got that at Target Dollar Spot.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it and share with your friends. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.